heard she left you for another guy, and now your mind is racing all the time. You can't believe it, what you done. Now all your future plans are gone. You thought you was the one. When troubles seem like they will never end, and anytime you feel you need a friend, and when you find yourself alone.